Have you ever seen a math problem like this? 8 minus 2 times open parenthesis, 2 minus 8 close parenthesis. Before we solve it, if you enjoy clear, step-by-step math tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Now, this problem looks straightforward, but there's one part that often causes a debate. Let's solve it the correct way using the PEMDAS rule. First, a quick refresher. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The key thing to remember is that operations in parentheses come first. Let's apply this to our problem. 8 minus 2 times open parenthesis, 2 minus 8 close parenthesis. Step 1. Handle everything inside the parentheses. 2 minus 8 equals negative 6. So now, our problem becomes 8 minus 2 times negative 6. Now, here is where people often get stuck. We have subtraction and multiplication. PEMDAS tells us multiplication comes before subtraction. Step 2. Handle the multiplication. 2 times negative 6 equals negative 12. So now our problem is simply 8 minus negative 12. Step 3. This final step is crucial. Remember, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive one. So 8 minus negative 12 becomes 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 equals 20. So the correct answer is 20. The key takeaway is twofold. First, always solve what's inside parentheses first. And second, multiplication comes before subtraction. But the most important lesson here is to be careful when subtracting a negative number. It becomes addition. If this clear explanation helped you, please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more quick math tutorials. Let us know in the comments what other problems we should solve next. Thanks for watching.